சூரிய நர்வமூசம் எங்கெங்கே வாச்சிச்சோ வெத்தல போல விரிச்ச மோகத்துக்கே எங்க சந்திர நர்வமூசம் எங்கெங்கே வாச்சிச்சோ
வளாது வெய்க மலிவளம் சுரக்க மன்னன் கோன்முறை அரசு செய்க குறைவிலாது உயிர்கள் வாழ்க.
My name is Ma Nitya Yogananda Swami, and the reason why I became an Adinavasi is because the moment I discovered Swamiji and I came to know a little bit about what he does, who he is, and I was listening to him, I realized that basically he's the embodiment of the drive for life. Whatever brings energy, whatever brings passion to our life, whatever brings enthusiasm towards life, he's just embodying that. So I realized that all the projects, all his words, every concept was nothing but the real passion that I have inside of me that I did not even know. But apart from that, to even take it to the next level, to make it even more amazing, he has created such an amazing community of beings that are constantly supporting our growth, not only our life to be joyful and exciting, but also in so much fun and so much amazingness. So come and join this amazing family and be part of Nityananda Sangha. Come on, Nityananda Chalo. Adinavasi Chalo.